Legend American guitarist Carlos Santana collapsed in the middle of a concert in Michigan on Tuesday. The musician's team says he was overcome with exhaustion and dehydration and is recuperating after being taken to the hospital. 74 years old, Santana was performing at the Pine Knob Music Festival. Billing for the event showed he was appearing with Earth, Wind and Fire for a miraculous supernatural tour. A stop in Clarkston, which is roughly 40 miles northwest of Detroit, and video posted on social media showed him performing earlier in the night. Word of Santana collapsing hit social media, creating cause for concern.